Wow.
Cute cardboard. This one have to layer. And this one has one layer. It is a bit large. It is a bit thin. Let's start to make it. Yeah! We need a paper glue, a scissor, a permanent marker, any empty papers, copy papers, keep it in sunlight. Please leave a comment if you like my video. Thank you. It is firmly rooted. Thanks for watching.